Hello children. Understanding Chemistry Class 7th. Lesson 1. Matter and its composition. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with substances, their composition, properties, and their interactions with other substances. The material of which a physical body is made up of is called a substance. Substances may be found in nature or are man-made or synthesized. Here are some examples of matters that found in nature: mineral, sulfur, water, coal. These all are found in nature. Man-made substances like paper, fabric, paint, drugs, pen, pencil, etc. Substances undergo physical or chemical changes when subjected to an energy change. Like iron, in presence of moisture, it turns into rusted iron. Metal and acid, when they react, they form salt and hydrogen. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space, has mass, and can be perceived by the senses. Matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquids, and gases. In example, solid. Solid occupies the space and solid has mass. Liquid. Matter liquid occupies space and it takes the shape of a container. And liquid has mass. Gases. When we take the water and put the glass in inverted, that times, and when we tilt, that time some bubbles comes out. Means the glass contains some air and that is comes as a bubble when on tilting. Then matter like gas, they have also mass. Here the balloon filled with air, but here without air. The mass of filled air balloon has more than the mass of the empty balloon. Then matter perceived by the sense. Matter we able to see, we smell, and when we touch, we feel. The three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. First we discuss about solid. Here example: spoon, paper, wood. So solid have mass, means solid has definite mass. Solid have definite volume and they have definite shape. Solid cannot be flow so that it has rigidity. Compressibility. Solid cannot be compressed. Diffusibility. Particles do not diffuse. Now we discuss about liquid. Here acid, alcohol and water, these are the examples of liquid. So they have definite mass. Liquid have the definite volume, but they do not have definite shape. Liquid have less rigid. Due to that reason, they can flow. Compressibility. Liquid slightly compressible. Diffusibility. Particles of liquid may diffuse. Now we discuss about gases. Hydrogen gas filled in balloon, and here carbon dioxide is present in your cold drinks. So liquid gases have definite mass but no definite volume or shape. Gases rigidity not rigid. Due to that reason they can also flow. Compressibility. Gases as highly compressible. Diffusibility. Particle of gases diffuse rapidly. Some demonstrations about the study the state of matter. Here we are able to show that solid have definite volume and shape. Liquid have definite volume and no definite shape. So place a metal rod in a different shape of container. This one is your beaker. We kept the metals, and this one is your round button flask. So when we keep the solid, they not change their shape, and so that solid had the definite shape. When we add the equal amount of water slowly into each container by means of a tumbler, the rod or solid does not change its volume or shape. The water does not change its volume on pouring back from each container into the tumbler. Its volume is the same, but the water takes off the shape of each container it occupies. From that we know that solid have definite shape, but liquid they do not have definite shape. They take the shape of container. To show the gas have no definite volume and no definite shape. So take a gas jar filled with a colored gas. Hold the above jar inverted above a beaker. The colored gas enters the beaker and completely fills it, taking off the volume and shape of the beaker. If we at home, if you try to that one, you take a glass and instant stick, burn it, and you able to see that the gas take the shape of a container. Now we demonstrate solid are not compressible, liquid are slightly compressible, and gases are highly compressible. First we take a solid block of wood and press it. The solid cannot be compressed. Then take 2 plastic bottles and filled with water and the other empty, filled with air. Squeeze the bottles gently from outside. The bottle containing the liquid can be squeezed slightly. The bottle containing air can be squeezed much more compared to the bottle containing the liquid. From that demonstration we understand that solid cannot be compressed, liquid slightly compressed, and gases highly compressible. Thank you.